Hello and welcome to a new episode of Train Spotting. Today we're at Pontyclun on the South Wales Main Line, where we'll be seeing services from Transport for Wales and Great Western Railway, and maybe a little bit of freight. We got our Transport for Wales. We got something approaching. It's a 197. That'll be working a service. Presumably from Maesteg to Vale town. Got a lot of people boarding, presumably to Cardiff. So slowly pulling is 197124. It is mostly full, with a couple of lads there, I assume me filming. So, let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, now departing is the 1347 Transport for Wales service to Vale town. Next calling point will be Cardiff Central. Okay, the first train to disturb the peace will be a Great Western Railway IAT running from Swansea to London Paddington. And an extremely late running Transport for Wales train got cancelled at Cardiff Central due to an ill passenger. So, there you go. Well, I couldn't really get the numbers, but I could make a guess of the rear one being 800-012 with a fantastic Doppler from the driver there. Thank you very much. I couldn't get the front, I'm afraid. Okay, the next train to pass through will be an early running-ish Transport for Wales service from Cardiff Central to Swansea, running at a gentle pace. I don't know why it's going so slow, because the signal right behind me is clear. It's stopping. Well, either way, it's worked by 197004. And yes, it is stopping. How? What? Okay, how peculiar. Okay, 004 is now leaving. Don't know what that was all about. Okay, the next train to pass through with a voice crack will be a Great Western Railway IET. The previous IET on the front was 800-033. This is a very late running IET, running about 26 minutes late, I believe. Oh, hello. So with its coupler open it is. (800-021) was on the rear, front, and there was another train on the back that's pretty much a phantom train. I don't know what that one was. It isn't showing up on real-time trains, so yeah, I can't really get the number on the rear, I'm afraid. Okay, the next train to arrive will be the 1424 Transport for Wales service from Ebbw Town to Maesteg. If I just look above, I can't exactly see the time. Oh, hello. And over there is the late running 1421 Transport for Wales service from Pembroke Dock to Cardiff Central. And there's the Maesteg train. So we have two 197s arriving at pretty much the same time. So leaving the leaving? No, try again. Leading the Maesteg train is 197-103. I don't know if I'm going to get the other 197. Yep, I don't think I am. Okay, the next train to depart will be the 1424 Transport for Wales service to Maesteg. And this could be an opportunity for the other 197 go to Cardiff. So doing about turn. There's 197-118. And since that's running late, that should depart any moment now. Oh, the doors are closing. And off it goes. Very nice. Okay, the first and only freight train of the day is coming through. We're about to. Oh, hello. And there it is. It's a DB Cargo UK Class 66 running from Llanwern Exchange to Margam. There's the wind, 66, 660. I guess 66660, but I don't think anyone is going to call it that. Okay, the next great start. Try again. The next train to pass through will be the very late running Transport for Wales service from Cardiff Central to Milford Haven. Oh, there it is. There's the shimmer. And there's the train. And running at a snail's pace. The previous 66, which was again 66660, caused this train to be delayed by 16 minutes. Well, it wasn't the only factor. So chasing the yellows is 197020. Oh, well, was chasing the yellows. It's now just turned green. And if you didn't hear me over the engine, it's 197020. Okay, the next train to pass through will be a Great Western Railway IET running from London Paddington to Carmarthen. I was supposed to pass through within about 2 minutes' time. Oh, hello. Nope, it's a freighter. It's a freight train.
The next train is passing through the station. Please
Oh, that's clagging well. I did not expect that train to pass through, but that is 66188. Okay, the next train will be the 800 I mentioned earlier. This time it actually will be the 800. The 66 that passed through was going from Newport Docks to Margam, running over 20 minutes early, not late. So here it is. This is the actual 800 running about 2 minutes late. .014 on the front with 007 on the rear. Okay, the penultimate train for the day will be the late running 1446 Transport for Wales service to Ebbw Town, with a very ominous cloud in the distance. And breathe. I say that because we were running down the stairs to get over here. Mostly because the train after this one will be the final train of the day. Plus it's also getting cold. So, what do we have here? It is 197026. Gosh, those brakes are making a bit of a racket. And there it is. Okay, the next train to depart will be the late running 1446 Transport for Wales service to Ebbw Town. Guard is in. Doors locked. And off it goes. Okay, for our final trainer for the day will be a Transport for Wales Class 197, a pair of 197s. Thank you. One 19702. Oh God, I forgot already. Well, it's doing a service from Manchester Piccadilly all the way to Milford Haven. And as they go on towards Llanharan, I'll pass there as well. I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. It's greatly appreciated. It's been a nice time here at Pontyclun. We went to a Greg's and got a donut to pass the time for another train to pass through, and that was the freighter. Or the second one, at least. But yeah, thank everyone. Thanks for watching. From me at Pontyclun. Oh, sorry, Pontyclun, not Pontyclun, you Burke. I shall see you in the next one.